turning because of you. The breeze is carrying sweet memories, like old soul records drifting through the trees. Your love and smile is all I need. A gentle touch, a precious seed, forever in my heart, forever in my soul. Your love keeps me warm when the cold winds blow. Every beat of my heart sings your name so true, forever in my heart. I'm in love with you. Golden sunshine waking up the day. You bring the colors that never fade away. Through every season, through joy and tears, I'll stand beside you through the years. Like a sweet reggae rhythm moving slow, your love's a river that continues to flow. Holding your hand beneath colors of love. Through the laughter and the tears we share, I know I'll always find your presence there. Like the ocean meets the distant shore, you give me reasons to believe once more. Wrapped in your arms, I feel complete. Every heartbeat moves to your sweet beat. Our love will stay, never fade away. Like a reggae rhythm, playing night and day. Holding on to you, that's where I belong. Our love will stay forever strong. No matter where the road may lead, your loving heart is all I need. When the world turns cold and gray, your warmth lights up my way. The music plays, the bassline rolls, connecting two devoted souls. Together we'll keep moving on like an everlasting song. Our love will stay, never fade away. Like a reggae rhythm, playing night and day. Holding on to you, that's where I belong. Our love will stay forever strong. Sweet reggae music in the moonlight glow. Soulful vibration, flowing nice and slow. Hand in hand, we'll face each day, knowing our love will always stay. Under the African moonlight glow, your gentle smile sets my heart aglow. Like a sweet river flowing to the sea, your love keeps calling softly to me. The night wind carries your sweet perfume, filling my soul and light in the room. With every heartbeat I feel brand new. My world is brighter because of you. Hold me close, don't let me go. There's a feeling only true love knows. Like the stars above, forever they'll shine, just like your precious love and mine. African moonlight love, shining so bright. Dancing together through the warm summer night. Sweet reggae rhythm, moving gentle and slow. African moonlight love, forever we'll grow. African moonlight love, strong and true. Every dream I dream begins with you. Soulful melodies floating high above, wrapped in the beauty of African moonlight love. Golden sunshine paints the morning sky. You are the reason my spirits fly. Every moment spent here by your side fills my heart with joy and pride. Like a Motown record spinning affection is a beautiful sound. The warmth of your touch, the look in your eyes, makes me believe in paradise. Hold me close, don't let me go. There's a feeling only true love knows. Like the stars above, forever they'll shine, just like your precious love and mine. African moonlight love, shining so bright, dancing together through the warm summer night. Sweet reggae rhythm, moving gentle and slow. African moonlight love, forever we'll grow. The bassline rolls like a heartbeat strong, guiding our spirits where they belong. Soul and reggae blending as one, a timeless love beneath the sun. No matter where life's road may lead, your loving heart is all I need. Hand in hand we'll always stay, loving each other every day. African moonlight love, shining so bright. Ooh, dancing together through the warm summer night. Sweet reggae rhythm, moving gentle and slow. African moonlight love, forever we'll grow. African moonlight love, pure and free, pure and free. A song of devotion for eternity. Soulful vibration, rising above, celebrating now. African moonlight shining, hearts in tune, swaying softly beneath the moon. Reggae and soul, forever combine. Your loving heart, forever mine. Oh, yeah. Softly in the evening when the sun goes down, you turn my lonely moments all around. Like a gentle breeze upon the sea, your sweet affection keeps on calling me. Every little smile upon your face fills my heart with warmth and grace. In your arms I find my peace. A love so pure that will never cease. When the stars begin to shine above, they remind me of your endless love. Every dream and every prayer brings me closer to the love we share. Whisper of your love in the moonlight glow. Sweet reggae rhythms moving soft and slow. Every beat of my heart belongs to you. A timeless love, so pure and true. A whisper of your love through the night so bright, holding me gently until morning light. Soulful melodies floating from above, wrapped forever in the whisper of your love. Golden morning sunshine on your skin makes me fall in love again and again. Like a classic soul song from long ago, your tender touch makes my spirit grow. Whoa, whoa. Hand in hand we'll walk this keeping our spirits moving along. Motown memories and reggae vibes, bringing our souls together tonight. No matter where the years may go, my love for you will always grow. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Smoke love in the moonlight glow. Sweet reggae rhythms moving soft and slow. Sway together forever, come what may. With every heartbeat, every song, your love is where I belong.
Your name upon the morning sky, watch the golden sun begin to rise. Every word I write comes straight from me, a story of love for eternity. Across the miles, across the sea, my thoughts of you keep surrounding me. Like a sweet old record softly playing low, my feelings for you continue to grow. Every page is filled with dreams we share. Every line reminds me that you care. Though we're apart, you're never far. You shine inside my heart like a star. This is a letter from my heart to you, filled with promises faithful and true. Carried on a reggae breeze tonight, wrapped in moonbeams and candlelight. This is a letter from my soul to yours, a love that's stronger than before. With every word and every part, I'm sending you a letter from my heart. The warm bass line moves beneath the stars, bringing our spirits close, no matter how far. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain, washing away every sorrow and pain. Like Motown melodies from days gone by, you lift my spirit and make it fly. Holding memories close to my chest, loving you has been life's greatest blessing. Every sentence tells a tale of love, inspired by the heavens above. No distance can keep our hearts apart. You're forever written inside my heart. This is a letter from my heart to you, filled with promises faithful and true. Carried on a reggae breeze tonight, wrapped in moonbeams and candlelight. This is a letter from my soul to yours, a love that's stronger than before. With every word and every part, I'm sending you a letter from my heart. If the winds could speak, they'd call your name. If the stars could sing, they'd do the same. Every beat of my heart keeps telling me you're the love that was meant to be. So whenever you feel alone at night, read these words beneath the moonlight, and know my love will never depart. It's forever sealed inside my heart. This is a letter from my heart to you, filled with devotion pure and true. Carried on a reggae breeze tonight, wrapped in moonbeams and candlelight. This is a letter from my soul to yours, a love that time cannot ignore. With every word and every part, I'm sending you a letter from my heart. Sweet reggae music softly plays, guiding our love through endless days. Until we're together, never apart, I'll keep writing letters from my heart. Oh. Stars above have found their place. A gentle breeze is moving through the air, and every little moment says you care. The music plays a sweet and steady tune. Our hearts are swaying underneath the moon. With every glance, my love begins to grow, like a river flowing gentle and slow. Hold my hand and don't let go. There's something in your eyes that tells me so. Tonight is ours beneath the silver light. Let's share this precious night. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Let this love be our guide. Wrapped in the warmth of your embrace, I see forever in your face. Stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. Your laughter sounds like music to my ears, a beautiful song I've waited years to hear. Like a classic soul record spinning round, your love is the sweetest sound I've found. The warm bass line moves beneath our feet, making every heartbeat feel complete. Lost in the magic of your touch, I've never needed anyone this much. Hold me close and let me know that this feeling will continue to grow. Tonight is filled with love so bright. Let's cherish every moment tonight. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Right by my side. Let this love be our guide. Wrapped in the warmth of your embrace, I see forever in your face. Oh, stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. If tomorrow brings another day, I'll still be loving you the same way. No distance, no time can change what's true. My heart will always belong to you. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Every dream I've dreamed tonight feels perfect in your loving light. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Let this love be our guide. Wrapped in the warmth of your embrace, I see forever in your face. Oh, yeah. Stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky. Oh, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. Moonlight dancing, hearts in tune, swaying softly beneath the moon. With soul and reggae shining bright, softly on your face. The stars above have found their place. A gentle breeze is moving through the air, and every little moment says you care. The music plays a sweet and steady tune. Our hearts are swaying underneath the moon. With every glance my love begins to grow, like a river flowing gentle and slow. Hold my hand and don't let go. There's something in your eyes that tells me so. Tonight is ours beneath the silver light. Let's share this precious night. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Let this love be our guide, wrapped in the warmth of your embrace. I see forever in your face. Stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. Your laughter sounds like music to my ears, a beautiful song I've waited years to hear. Like a classic soul record spinning round, your love is the sweetest sound I've found. The warm bassline moves beneath our feet, making every heartbeat feel complete. Lost in the magic of your touch, I've never needed anyone this much. Hold me close and let me know that this feeling will continue to grow. Tonight is filled with love so bright. Let's cherish every moment tonight. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Let this love be our guide, wrapped in the warmth of your embrace. I see forever in your face. Stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. If tomorrow brings another day, I'll still be loving you the same way. No distance, no time can change what's true. My heart will always belong to you. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Every dream I dream tonight feels perfect in your loving light. Stay here tonight, right by my side. Let this love be our guide, wrapped in the warmth of your embrace. I see forever in your face. Stay here tonight, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars across the sky, like a sweet reggae melody. You're the only one for me. Moonlight dancing, hearts in tune, swaying softly beneath the moon. With soul and reggae shining bright, our love will last beyond tonight. Ooh, ooh, oh yeah. The dawn is breaking across the sea, bringing a brand new day for you and me. Golden rays are shining through the sky, like the sparkle that I see in your eyes. Every morning when I hear your name, my heart begins begins to dance the same, like a sweet melody upon the breeze. Your loving touch puts my soul at ease. The night is gone, the clouds have flown away. Your love fills my heart with brighter days. Every moment feels so right, wrapped in the warmth of your light. You're my morning light of love, a blessing sent from above, like a reggae rhythm sweet and true. My heart keeps beating for you. You're my morning light of love, guided by the stars above. Soulful harmony softly shine, forever your heart is mine. The warm bass line moves nice and slow, like the feelings that continue to grow. Every laugh and every smile you share reminds me how much you truly care. Like a Motown classic spinning around, your love is the sweetest sound I found. Holding your hand beneath the sun makes me feel we're truly one. The world feels brighter every day whenever you are near my way. Like sunshine after pouring rain, you bring joy again and again. You're my morning light of love, a blessing sent from above, like a reggae rhythm sweet and true. My heart keeps beating for you. You're my morning light of love, guided by the stars above. Soulful harmony softly shine, forever your heart is mine. No matter what tomorrow brings, you'll always be the song I sing. Through every season, every year, my love for you remains sincere. Island breezes and soulful grooves, moving together as our hearts choose. With every dream that comes into view, I see a lifetime loving you. You're my morning light of love, a blessing sent from above, like a reggae rhythm sweet and true. My heart keeps beating for you. You're my morning light of love, guided by the stars above. Soulful harmony softly shine, forever your heart is mine. As the sun climbs high above, I'll keep celebrating our love, with reggae and soul side by side. You'll forever be my guiding light. Ooh, yeah. Oh. The stars are glowing in the midnight sky, and I'm standing here with you tonight. A gentle breeze carries your sweet name, and nothing in my life will be the same. Every smile you give lights up my day, chasing every lonely cloud away. Like a melody flowing through my soul, your love has made my heart feel whole. When you hold me close, the world stands still. Every dream I dream becomes so real. There's a feeling deep inside my heart, telling me we'll never be apart. Only true love can make me feel this way, brighter than the sunshine every day. Like a swaying softly beneath the moon, with reggae and soul forever combined. Your loving heart is forever mine.
When the evening falls and the sky turns gold, I think about the way your love unfolds, like a gentle wave upon the shore. You make me want to love you more and more. Every little touch, every tender kiss fills my heart with everlasting bliss, like a melody floating through the air. I feel your loving spirit everywhere. The moonlight shines upon your face, and time itself begins to slow its pace. In your arms I found my place, surrounded by your warmth and grace. Your sweet loving carries me away, brighter than the sunshine of the day, like a reggae rhythm moving soft and slow. You're the greatest feeling I've ever known. Your sweet loving keeps my spirit high, like 1,000 stars across the sky. Soulful harmonies flowing from above. I'm forever wrapped in your sweet loving. The warm bassline rolls beneath the night. Everything around us feels so right, like a classic soul song from yesterday. Your love never fades away. Hand in hand we walk through life, sharing every dream and every fight. No matter where the road may bend, I love you until the very end. Every heartbeat whispers your name, and every day my feelings stay the same. You're the answer to my silent prayer, the precious love beyond compare.
whenever we embrace. A gentle breeze carries your sweet perfume, filling my heart with flowers in bloom. Every moment spent with you feels right, like a candle glowing through the night. Your tender smile brightens up my day and takes every lonely thought away. When you hold me close, I feel complete. Every heartbeat moves to your sweet beat, like a dream I've waited all my life to find. You're the treasure that's forever mine. Always be mine. Stay here by my side. Together we'll enjoy life's beautiful ride. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, my heart keeps singing songs for you. Always be mine, beneath the stars above. Wrap forever in your endless love. Soulful harmonies floating through time. I pray you'll always be mine. The warm bassline rolls beneath the sky, while the stars quietly watch us from on high. Like a classic soul song from yesterday, your sweet affection never fades away. Hand in hand we'll walk through every year, sharing every laughter, every tear. No matter where the future may lead, your loving heart is all I need. Like the ocean reaching for the shore, I find myself loving you more and more. Every dream I dream becomes alive whenever you're by my side. Always be mine. Stay here by my side. Together we'll enjoy life's beautiful ride. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, my heart keeps singing songs for you. Always be mine, beneath the stars above. Wrap forever in your endless love. Soulful harmonies floating through time. I pray you'll always be mine. Motown melodies fill the air tonight, blending with the reggae in the soft moonlight. Island breezes whisper your name, and my heart will never be the same. No treasure in this world could compare to the precious love we share. You're the song my soul was born to sing, the joy that true love brings. Always be mine. Stay here by my side. Together we'll enjoy life's beautiful ride. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, my heart keeps singing songs for you. Always be mine, beneath the stars above. Wrap forever in your endless love. Soulful harmonies floating through time. I pray you'll always be mine. Under moonlit skies we'll softly sway, loving each other day by day, with reggae and soul perfectly aligned. My heart hopes you'll always be mine.
silver shadows in its light. As I hold you close beneath the stars, I know true love is exactly where we are. Your smile shines brighter than the morning sun, making every day feel like it's just begun. Like a sweet melody carried by the breeze, your loving touch brings my heart to ease. Every moment spent with you feels right, like a candle burning through the night. No matter where life's road may lead, your loving heart is all I need. Forever loving you, that's all I wanna do. With every heartbeat, my love remains true. Like a reggae rhythm moving smooth and slow, you're the sweetest feeling I'll ever know. Forever loving you, through the years we'll stay. Growing stronger with each passing day. Soulful harmonies rising above, celebrating a lifetime of love. The warm bassline rose beneath the sky, while the stars watch quietly from on high. Like an old soul record spinning round, your gentle voice is my favorite sound. Hand in hand we'll walk through every season. Loving you is all the reason. Through the laughter and the tears we share, I'll always know how much you care. Like the ocean reaching for the shore, I find myself loving you more and more. Every dream inside my heart is true, because my world begins with you. Forever loving you, that's all I wanna do. With every heartbeat, my love remains true. Like a reggae rhythm moving smooth and slow, you're the sweetest feeling I'll ever know. Forever loving you, through the years we'll stay. Growing stronger with each passing day. Soulful harmonies rising above, celebrating a lifetime of love. Motown melodies fill the air, reminding me of the love we share. Island breezes softly sway as we dance the night away. No treasure on earth could ever compare to the precious bond we share. You're the song my soul sings through, and I spend my life forever loving you. Forever loving you, forever loving you. That's all I wanna do, that's all I wanna do. With every heartbeat, my love remains true. Like a reggae rhythm moving smooth and slow, you're the sweetest feeling I'll ever know. Forever loving you through the years we'll stay. Growing stronger with each passing day. Soulful harmonies rising above, celebrating a lifetime of love. Under the moon and the stars above, we'll keep writing our story of love. With reggae and soul shining through, my heart will be forever loving you. From the moment that you came into my life, you brought sunshine where there once was night. Like a sweet island breeze upon the sea, you unlocked a brand new world for me. Every little smile, every gentle kiss fills my heart with everlasting bliss. Like a vinyl record playing soft and low, your sweet affection keeps my spirit aglow. A little patience, a little trust, a little passion between us. Every day our feelings grow like a river that forever flows. Made with love, that's what we are. Shining together like the brightest star. With a warm bass line and a soulful groove, our hearts keep dancing to the rhythm of truth. Made with love, strong and true. Every dream begins with you. Under moonlit skies above, our story was made with love. Oh, the night is calm and the stars are bright as we sway together in the soft moonlight. Like a classic soul melody from yesterday, your love never fades away. Every promise spoken from your heart makes me know we'll never drift apart. Hand in hand we'll face tomorrow's dawn. Together we'll keep moving on. A touch of kindness, a faithful heart, those are the things that set us apart. Every moment feels so right, wrapped within your loving light. Made with love, that's what we are. Shining together like the brightest star. With a warm bass line and a soulful groove, our hearts keep dancing to the rhythm of truth. Made with love, strong and true. Every dream begins with you. Under moonlit skies above, our story was made with love. Motown memories and reggae sounds, lifting our spirits off the ground. Through every season, every year, your loving voice remains so clear. Like the ocean meets the shore, I keep finding reasons to love you more. No treasure on earth could ever compare to the precious bond we share. Made with love, that's what we are. Oh, shining together like the brightest star. Oh, with a warm bass line and a soulful groove, our hearts keep dancing to the rhythm of truth. Made with love, strong and true, strong and true. Every dream begins with you. Under moonlit skies above, our story was made with love. Sweet reggae music fills the air, a timeless love beyond compare. With every heartbeat, every heart will keep living a life made with love. From the moment that you walked into my life,
a smile that could brighten any day. You gently took my worries away. Your eyes shine brighter than the stars above, filled with kindness and endless love. Like a sweet melody upon the breeze, you bring my restless heart to ease. Every step you take, every word you say, makes me love you more each day. You're the treasure I've been searching for, the one my heart truly adores. My island queen, you're everything to me, like the moonlight dancing on the sea. Sweet reggae rhythms moving soft and slow. You're the greatest love I'll ever know. Oh, my island queen, shining so bright, holding my heart through the night. Soulful harmonies floating above, wrapped forever in your love. The warm bassline rolls beneath the sky as we watch the evening drift by, like a classic soul song from long ago. Your reflection helps my spirit grow. Hand in hand we'll travel through the years, sharing every laughter, every tear. No matter where the road may bend, I'll stand beside you until the end. Your gentle touch feels so divine, like a blessing sent to ease my mind. Every dream I dream comes true whenever I'm close to you. My island queen, you're everything to me, like the moonlight dancing on the sea. Sweet reggae rhythms moving soft and slow. You're the greatest love I'll ever know. Oh, my island queen, shining so bright, holding my heart through the night. Soulful harmonies floating above, wrapped forever in your love. Motown melodies and island grooves guide our hearts as they gently move, like the ocean meeting the shore. I keep finding reasons to love you more. No crown of gold could ever compare to the beauty and warmth we share. You're the song that my soul sings, the joy that true love brings. My island queen, you're everything to me, like the moonlight dancing on the sea. Sweet reggae rhythms, moving soft and slow. You're the greatest love I'll ever know. Oh, my island queen, shining so bright, holding my heart through the night. Soulful harmonies floating above, wrapped forever in your love. Under the stars we'll gently sway, loving each other day by day, with reggae and soul forever sing. You'll always be my island queen.
Oh, a little moonlight shining from above, a little kindness mixed with endless love, a gentle smile and a tender touch. Those simple things can mean so much. A warm embrace when the day is through. A whispered promise saying I love you. Like a sweet melody drifting through the air. Every moment shows how much we care. Stir it slowly, let the feeling grow. Like a reggae rhythm moving nice and slow. Every heartbeat adds another part to the recipe written in my heart. That's the recipe of love, you and me. A perfect harmony for eternity. Sweet soul music and a reggae groove. A combination that can always move. That's the recipe of love, so true. A little bit of me, a lot of you, mixed together under stars above, creating the perfect recipe of love. A warm bass line rolling through the night, holding our dreams in the soft moonlight. Like an old Motown record spinning round. Your loving voice is my favorite sound. Every laugh we share, every tear we dry, makes our love stronger as the years go by. With every memory we create, I know our hearts were joined by fate. Add devotion and honesty, a touch of faith and loyalty. Every ingredient fits just right, making our future bright. That's the recipe of love, you and me. A perfect harmony for eternity. Sweet soul music and a reggae groove. A combination that can always move. That's the recipe of love, so true. A little bit of me, a lot of you, mixed together under stars above, creating the perfect recipe of love. Through every season, every year, your love and presence stay so near. Like the ocean dancing with the shore, I find myself loving you more. No treasure in this world could compare to the special bond we share. Soul and reggae side by side, taking us on this beautiful ride. That's the recipe of love, you and me. A perfect harmony for eternity. Sweet soul music and a reggae groove. A combination that can always move. That's the recipe of love, so true. A little bit of me, a lot of you, mixed together under stars above, creating the perfect recipe of love. Moonlight glowing, hearts aligned. A timeless love we'll always find. With every song and every hug, we'll keep perfecting our recipe of love. Yeah. Ooh. The evening sun is fading from the sky, and the stars begin to sparkle high. I take your hand and pull you near, and suddenly the whole world disappears. Your smile shines like a guiding light. the darkest night like a sweet melody drifting on the breeze. Your loving heart brings me peace. Every moment feels brand new. Every dream begins with you. With every kiss my heart can see. You're the one meant for me. Together as one, we'll stand side by side, with love as our compass and guide. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, my heart keeps beating for you. Together as one, beneath the stars above, bound forever by endless love. Soulful harmonies fill the night air. A timeless bond we'll always share. The warm bass line rolls through the night, and everything around us feels right, like a Motown classic playing low. Your sweet affection helps my spirit grow. To every season and every year, your loving voice remains so clear. No matter where life's road may bend, I'll be your lover and your friend. Like the ocean meeting the shore, I'll find myself loving you more and more. Every heartbeat, every sigh reminds me why you're my guiding light. Together as one, we'll stand side by side, with love as our compass and guide. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, my heart keeps beating for you. Together as one, beneath the stars above, bound forever by endless love. Soulful harmonies fill the night air. A timeless bond we'll always share. Island breezes softly blow, carrying feelings only true hearts know. Motown, soul and reggae vibes, bringing our spirits alive tonight. No treasure could ever compare to the precious love we share. You're the song my soul sings every day, and I'll never let the melody fade away. Together as one, we'll stand side by side, with love as our compass and guide. Like a reggae rhythm, steady and true, steady and true. My heart keeps beating for you. Together as one, beneath the stars above, bound forever by endless love. Soulful harmonies fill the night air. A timeless bond we'll always share. Under moonlit skies we'll gently sway, holding each other all the way, with reggae and soul forever spun. We'll keep living together as one.